Welcome to this accounting tutorial on debit and credit. If you are a beginner in accounting, this video will help you understand these important concepts in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions of a business. Every business transaction affects at least two accounts, which is why understanding debit and credit is essential. A debit, abbreviated as DR, is recorded on the left side of an account. It generally increases assets and expenses while decreasing liabilities and income. On the other hand, a credit, abbreviated as CR, is recorded on the right side of an account. It generally increases liabilities, capital, and income while decreasing assets and expenses. To make accounting easier, we use the three golden rules. For personal accounts, debit the receiver and credit the giver. For real accounts, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. For nominal accounts, debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose a business purchases furniture worth 10,000 rupees in cash. Furniture is coming into the business, so the furniture account is debited, while cash is going out of the business, so the cash account is credited. Now consider another example, where goods worth 5,000 rupees are sold on credit. Since the customer now owes money to the business, the customer account is debited, and because the business has earned revenue, the sales account is credited. A useful trick to remember debit and credit is DEADCLIC. DEAD stands for debits increase expenses, assets and drawings, while CLIC stands for credits increase liabilities, income and capital. Many beginners make the mistake of thinking that debit means decrease and credit means increase. This is not correct. Whether an account increases or decreases depends on the type of account involved. The most important thing to remember is that every transaction has two effects, and total debits must always equal total credits. Let's quickly recap. Debit entries are recorded on the left side, credit entries are recorded on the right side, and every business transaction affects at least two accounts. By practicing journal entries regularly, you will become more confident in accounting. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more accounting and business lessons. See you in the next video.